Hello dear students, a very good morning to all. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today we will discuss about the topic the British rule. So open your social course book volume 2 page number 1. The British rule. Every year we celebrate 15 August as Independence Day. Before 15 August 1947, the British ruled India. इस 1947 से पहले British ruled India. Did you know that the British were not the only foreign rulers who ruled India over India? In earlier times, India was one of the richest land in the world. This attracted many foreign rulers and traders towards it. Some of them attract India to take away its wealth, while India was famous for its spices, cotton and silk cloths, muslin and precious stones like ruby, diamond and pearl. These goods were in great demand in all parts of the world, especially Europe. So traders from all over the world came to India to buy these goods. They earned a lot of money by selling these goods. क्या यहाँ से जो सामान ले जाते थे उनको सेलिंग करके क्या बहुत सारी मनी अर्न कर लेते. These goods in other countries. Many Europeans, including the British, also came to India to trade. But later they become the rulers. Still, let us start from the beginning and look at the reason that brought Europeans to India. लेफ्ट राइट वन आप लोगों को हमने कल ही डन करवाया था इसका. अब नेक्स्ट 2 भी शायद हम लोगों ने कल डन किया था. अब पेज नंबर हम लोग ओपन करेंगे. पेज नंबर 6. सेटिंग अप ट्रेडिंग पोस्ट इन इंडिया इन 1600 सेंचुरी. द ब्रिटिश सेट अप द इंग्लिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी इन इंग्लैंड एंड केम टू इंडिया एंड अदर कंट्रीज in Southeast Asia as traders. The company's ship first arrived in India at the port of Surat. The company's ship first arrived in India at the port of Surat, now in Gujarat. अब वो कहाँ है? गुजरात में. In 1608, in 1615, Sir Thomas Locke got the right to start factories at Surat and some other areas from the Mughal Emperor Jahangir. The company set up many trading posts along the east and the west coast of India. Wars with French. By this time, the competition between the British and the French trading companies was also growing. Each tried to throw out the other to be the only power in India. As a result of this, the army of the British and the French trading companies fought 3 wars. In the mid-18th century, the French were defeated. The British became the most powerful in India. The Battle of Plassey. In 1717, the English East India Company got the right to trade in Bengal without paying any taxes. However, it began trading in Bengal in an unfair way, due to which Bengal was losing a lot of money. In 1756, the Nawab of Bengal, Surajuddaula, कौन है नवाब उस समय 1756 में नवाब ऑफ बंगाल कौन थे? सिराजुद्दौला. आस्क्ड द ऑफिशियल्स टू द ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी. नवाब सिराजुद्दौला का फिगर आपको ये इधर पे शो हो रहा है, ये हैं आपके नवाब सिराजुद्दौला, नवाब ऑफ बंगाल, बंगाल के नवाब थे उस समय। आस्क्ड द ऑफिशियल ऑफ द ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी टू स्टॉप अनफेयर ट्रेड इन बंगाल। ही ऑल्सो आस्क्ड देम टू destroy high walls of forts that they had built in Bengal. They, however, refused to do so. This led to a battle between Sirajuddaulah and the force of English East India Company. ये इसमें जो force and the force of the English East India Company, the company's force led by Robert Clive. जो कंपनी की फोर्स थी वो led by Robert Clive defeated Sirajuddaulah in the Battle of Plassey. In 1757, the English East India Company got the right to collect tax from the Bengal. फिर इसके बाद the Battle of Buxar in 1764, the Battle of Buxar, the Battle of Buxar कब हुआ? 1764. East India Company defeated the joint force of the Mughal Emperor, Nawab of Bengal, and Awadh at Buxar. With this, the English East India Company became an important ruling power in India. Next, अब हम लोग लेट्स ट्राई 3 डन करेंगे। इसमें क्या है? Get into pairs and the complete the following chart. तो इसमें क्या करना है आपको? नेम ऑफ द ब्रिटिश ट्रेडिंग कंपनी, ब्रिटिश ट्रेडिंग कंपनी का नाम बताना है। ब्रिटिश ट्रेडिंग कंपनी का क्या नाम था? द इंग्लिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी। क्या नाम था? द इंग्लिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, ब्रिटिश ट्रेडिंग। बी पॉइंट है आपका द ब्रिटिश ट्रेडिंग सेंटर्स दैट ग्रो इनटू टाउन्स। कौन से टाउन्स में ग्रो हुआ था? बॉम्बे, मद्रास एंड कलकत्ता। टुक एडवांटेज ऑफ backing one ruler against another. The effect of the British laws on the Indians lost their freedom. Result of the Battle of Buxar, वो आपको भी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है। Result of the Battle of Plassey, ये भी आपको यहाँ पे राइट करना है। सो आपको लेट्स ट्राई 3 आपकी कोर्स बुक में पेज नंबर 1 में कंप्लीट करना है। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ नाइस डे।